it's Bridger back here with another video, and today I am going to just see what I can do for you guys, and comment down below if you want what challenge, if you want me and my sister to do a challenge, so please do that, and don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. And yeah, let's just get right into the video. No, it's not really much of a thing. Here, and I don't really know what to do. I'm just running. My neighbors don't know that I make YouTube, but I want to keep it like that. They'll think it's weird that I have a camera and I walk around each day to see what I can do. I mean, I can just walk around. And subscribe if you want us to do a spying video on my family, so you actually get to see them. Oh, dang it. Okay. Where are they? Okay. Kinda getting a little peek, so I can make sure it's fine. So what should we do? Actually, my stepsister is over. That's her dad's car. Me and her mom. My mom is, well, she's technically my stepsister. She's an only child, so she comes here to hang out. And my mom and her dad are boyfriend and girlfriend. And for us, it's kind of getting close to Christmas time, getting windy and cold, and there was snow a few days ago, so we're going to hang up Christmas decorations today. So, it's nice. And if you didn't know, this is a Mercedes, and my mom's boyfriend also has another Mercedes. Oh. It's getting windy. Ah, darn it. I really wanted to have a nice day. Yesterday was good for you guys to watch. Anyway, I'm gonna climb up here. Get into it. My camera is kinda not that low, but after this video, I'm definitely gonna charge my camera. It's kind of just looking. The clouds are gray. I don't know if you can see them, but yeah. Ooh, there's actually a truck coming. So, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment down below what you want me to do next.